Tubi is a free ad-supported streaming service offering a vast library of movies and TV shows. If you have Rogers Xfinity TV, accessing Tubi is straightforward. First, ensure you have a Rogers Xfinity TV subscription with a stable internet connection. At least 25 megapixels is recommended. You can install Tubi through the Xfinity app on iOS Android devices, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, or Apple TV. Simply search for Tubi in the Xfinity App Store. Download and sign in with a free Tubi account. No subscription required. For those using compatible smart TVs like Samsung and LG, install Tubi directly on the TV. For Rogers Ignite TV boxes or Xfinity Voice Remote, access Tubi through the on-screen guide or by using voice commands. This setup provides a seamless way to enjoy Tubi's content without extra costs beyond your existing Rogers Internet cable fees. Once installed, Tubi provides access to over 100,000 titles, including exclusive originals and region-specific content tailored for Canadian viewers through Rogers localization efforts. As an AVOD service, Tubi is free because it's supported by ads, typically with 5 to 10-minute breaks every 30-60 minutes of viewing. Content quality ranges from 720p to 4K on supported devices. Tubi accounts are free to create via email, and you can browse through genres to find your favorite movies and TV shows. While Tubi doesn't offer downloads on cable boxes, offline viewing is available on some apps. Tubi also provides kid-safe profiles, aligning with Rogers' parental control features. By integrating Tubi into Rogers Xfinity TV, users gain a cost-effective alternative to paid streaming services, making high-quality entertainment accessible without monthly subscription fees.